eConsent software for clinical trials can make or break participant engagement. In conversations with research teams, one issue keeps surfacing. The consent process is taking far too much time, and participants are leaving confused or overwhelmed. When that happens, data collection suffers from the very start. Even as trials become more advanced, many still rely on paper-based consent forms or static PDFs. This slows down recruitment, increases administrative work, and risks participants not fully understanding what they are agreeing to. The traditional consent process is long, complicated, and often hard to follow. Participants are expected to review stacks of paperwork in one sitting, with little opportunity to revisit details later. Researchers spend valuable hours chasing signatures, clarifying points, and answering the same questions repeatedly. This slows trials down and adds unnecessary friction at the very beginning of the participant journey. A digital approach changes that experience entirely. eConsent software makes information easier to access, understand, and confirm. Participants review consent forms online at their own pace. They can work through embedded explanations, watch videos, or revisit sections until they feel confident. Researchers collect signatures electronically, track progress in real time, and reduce paperwork from day one. Research teams adopting eConsent software are reporting clear advantages across 4 key areas. First, faster recruitment with fewer delays at the consent stage. Second, higher participant comprehension and retention. Third, reduced administrative burden for coordinators. And fourth, stronger compliance and easier auditing. Participants feel informed and respected. They get the chance to fully understand the study before making a decision, which builds trust from the very beginning of their involvement. Mosio has been helping researchers improve participant communication for years, with over 150 million reminders, alerts, and surveys already sent. Mosio integrates with the tools research teams already use, including REDCap, pairing automated and interactive text messaging with existing workflows to guide participants through every step of a clinical trial. Reminders, clarifications, and confirmations are all delivered via text, making the process smoother and more engaging. Participants stay on track, coordinators spend less time chasing paperwork, and studies move forward with confidence. The consent process should never be a barrier to research progress. eConsent software gives research teams the tools to make enrollment faster, clearer, and more reliable for both staff and participants. Mosio takes that further by combining eConsent software with proven text messaging tools that keep participants engaged and informed throughout the entire study. The result is fewer delays, stronger retention, and trials that move forward with less stress. Over 150 million reminders, alerts, and surveys have been sent with Mosio. Get an instant quote today at mosio.com.